Hi guys, I was gifted this GOATZY goat feeder from the seller so I could show you everything about it and how I install it and how the goats love it. So I'm going to go ahead and put it together. It's all packaged neatly for safe travels. Let's take it out of the bubble wrap. All right, so it has good instructions here. The first step is to connect the back of the hay feeder to the bottom, so with 3 screws. So I'm gonna do that now. So that was really easy and does come with an Allen wrench. The next thing we got to do is put the sides on here. So I'm gonna do that next. Okay, I got the sides on, and now I'm gonna put these brackets on next. Okay, got the brackets on both sides. The next step is to put the grate in here. So I'm going to install that next. Looks like I missed a step. You're supposed to install this part that goes right here next. So I'll put that in, and then I'll also secure in the grate. All right, I got that all installed here. The grate is secured. I'm going to install the lid now. So this lid goes on top to prevent, obviously I got it upside down. This lid goes on top to prevent the rain from getting in there. So I'm gonna screw that in now. All right, it's all put together. It didn't take too long. The instructions were awesome, spot on. Here's the lid. So it looks like inside. It does have some spots if you want to mount it with bolts. And it has the hooks if you want to hang it on a fence. So I'm going to go hang it on my fence and show you what the goats think of it. All right, so I got the hay feeder all set up here. I used the hanging part of it. I did put a metal zip tie on it just to keep it steady. Make sure the goats didn't knock it down or anything. I got some hay in there. All right, I got the hay feeder here. This is the other side of it. So you can see my goats figured it out pretty quickly. This is their first hay feeder. Before I was just giving them pellets or putting hay on the ground. And this, I like it. It's got a little shelf there, so if the hay falls down, then they can just grab it from right there. This is the GOATZY hay feeder. It is very heavy duty, and you can see my goats are loving it so far. So this is going to be great. It was very heavy duty built. It was kind of heavy, picking it up. But that's good because you want it heavy duty for these goats that'll, tear it up if it was just some flimsy, piece of junk. This is not that. So they definitely look like they're enjoying it. All right, if you guys are in the market for a hay feeder, go ahead and get this one. You can definitely tell that Miley and Otis are loving this hay feeder, and it's going to work great for us. Thanks.